Virtuo Vivo intraoral scanner users can send scan files directly to the Smile-in-a-Box service. Contact the support team in your country to create a CARES Connect account. Let the support team know that you would like to establish a connection with the Smile-in-a-Box service lab. Once you have your credentials for CARES Connect, log in as an administrator on the Virtuo Vivo software. Go to Settings, then Export. Type your credentials in the username and password section. Type caresconnect.straumann.com in the server URL section. Click the Save icon. You will see the Smile-in-a-Box lab in the Preferred Laboratories section. You are now all set to use the connection. Log in as a user. Click New Case. Select No Treatment Plan and fill in the patient name. Click Next and scan a patient. Scan a patient using the recommended scan technique. Scan upper and lower arches and bite. Once you have reviewed the scan data, go to the Export section. You can find the case ID starting with IO. Select CARES Connect in Export type. Select Smile-in-a-Box lab in your region. Click the Export button. The scan has now been submitted. In the Smile-in-a-Box order, please type the case ID in the Share via Virtuo Vivo section.